In an effort to build street cred for its new N performance brand, Hyundai will go road racing in the Pirelli World Challenge's new TCR class. The effort was just announced here at the Chicago Auto Show and comes after the debut of the Veloster N, which will be the first vehicle here in the States to carry the N badge. However, a race version of the Veloster N won't be hitting the track, but instead it'll be this, the i30 N TCR racer that Hyundai is already offering for sale to customers in Europe. It's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged engine, making 350 horsepower, and is connected to a 6-speed sequential transmission. It's also got all the other race car standards like an adjustable suspension, big Brembo brakes, a full roll cage, and a honking wing to help keep the rear planted when it's going wheel-to-wheel on track with race versions of the Volkswagen Golf GTI and Audi RS3. To spearhead the two-car race program, Hyundai has partnered with Bryan Herta Autosport, which previously found success in IndyCar with 2 Indy 500 wins on its resume, one with the late Dan Wheldon, and most recently with Alexander Rossi. For the World Challenge effort, drivers Michael Lewis and Mark Wilkins have been hired to drive the i30s. The Pirelli World Challenge's TCR season starts in March at Texas's Circuit of the Americas. The season will stretch for 6 weekends, each with double-header races. Now we just have to see if Hyundai can make it to victory lane and in the process help sell some N performance cars.